Hi everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to import an After Effects project into Premiere Pro. If you have finished creating a project in After Effects and want to add it to your project in Peremiere Pro, the method is very simple. In the Project panel in Premiere Pro, click the New Item icon and then select Import. We can also select File on the menu and then select Import. After that, open the folder where we saved the After Effects project file. If it is found, click Open. And next, select the composition name of the project. In this tutorial, the name is still the default, which is Comp1. Select OK. After that, select the composition name again. And then select OK once again. If the connection on the dynamic link is correct, the project file from After Effects will appear in the Project panel in Premiere Pro. And now, we can drag it into the timeline. If there is something you want to fix, we can still edit it again in After Effects. After finishing editing it, we have to save the project update by pressing the Ctrl+S shortcut. The video results are the same as in the After Effects project. We can do this method if Premiere Pro and After Effects are installed, have the same version. Well, that's how to import After Effects project files into Premiere Pro projects. That's all a video tutorial from me. And thanks for watching.